Our responsibility is to create jobs for people like you. We are designing these machines for people that is going to come in the industry and say, I like to play my PlayStation.
Hello, my name's Lucas Haddock and I'm here with Francesco, CEO of Hitachi Construction. And we're here with Landcros 1, a new machine made for the next generation like me and new people coming into the industry as we progress. Tell me a little bit about it, Francesco.
Well, you should tell me in reality because we are designing these machines for people that is going to come in the industry and say, I like to play my PlayStation. I have my menus set in a way that I can recognize it. People like me or your father are used to a different generation and used to certain paradox or compromises that you guys will not cope with. So we are having you guys telling us what you need to be part of the construction equipment of the future. And that means different things. So how many of your mates would like to say, oh, I like to work from home? How many of them?
A few prefer to work from home, so I'm guessing you can operate it outside the cab and not be inside it all.
Well, guess what? Yes, you can. And it's going to be, the future is going to be some of the operations can be done from home with remote connectivity, remote operation control, so people can go in certain offices while the machine is operating in place that is remote, not safe, not nice, away from your family. Is it going to be that 100% of job? No, it's going to be 40% of job, but we need to answer to a lack of skilled operator that is not going to be there in the future. People like you will not do that. Therefore, our responsibility is to create jobs for people like you.
So Hitachi are making construction flexible with remote working, but on an excavator.
Correct. And the beauty of this is not only Hitachi, it's the industry that is enabling that. What we at Hitachi we are doing is we are making it easier, because you don't need to have an engineering degree to operate these machines. You need to be able to play a video game. You install a video game, play it, and have fun. That's our challenge. And very often the challenge of making things easy is much more complex than making things complicated.
Definitely. I mean, it's a very complex machine. We've got scanning up there and we've got a drone on the back. Could you tell me a little bit about that?
Well, once the machine is out, most likely you need to do some scanning. You need to understand what you need to do. Someone else is remotely controlling the site operation, say, well, what you need to do. You're going to get a command. The scan is going to go over, check the land, doing surveying, communicate to the machine, and the machine can be either operated locally or remote operated, and then the job is done. Once the job over, the drones goes again, comes back, and provide job done to the millimeter that was required. Today, that technology is available. That drone is available from Leica. So it's available, it's not yet integrated in any single machines.
I mean, that's brilliant. It's got 3D surveying, it's got a drone on the back, and it's got gamified controls, I've heard.
Yep.
What else has it got? Has it got different fuel variants?
Well, the future is going to be all about fuel flexibility. It's going to be about how you make it electric, how you can have it electric for proper purpose, how you can make it gas when you need gas where electric is not going to be a solution. Possibly in certain specific operations, you can even go hydrogen, because in industrial and fixed operations, hydrogen could be the future. So our commitment is for sustainability. It's also for financial sustainability at the same time for our customers. That's why also we are designing this machine that you can, with this way, you can operate 24 hours. Think about slashing these jobs that you get by half of the time. That's all cost saving.
So you're going to speed up construction works, operating 24/7 in unsafe environments, but not needing an operator inside the cab necessarily, because they can operate it remotely, keeping them out of the danger. We've also got 3D surveying on the machine itself, available in 3 different fuel variants as well, and operations all the time. I mean, is
Correct.
there anything else you could do? It sounds brilliant.
Actually, I should ask you, what will it take you to jump on this machine to make you prefer this machine rather than anything else? That's the change in mind. It's not us that we should offer, is we should us asking next generation, what would you take? That's the change in philosophy. We're becoming more customer centric, customer of the future centric, to make sure we deliver for the next 50 years the best machine in the world.
Well, I have one more question. What if there isn't enough people to operate? Does it go autonomous?
Well, it does goes autonomous. I have specific constraints in mind. Autonomous. Autonomous is great when you have repetitive and easy things that you can ask a machine. Autonomous is the solution. It's the robotization of certain operations. You cannot expect to do all operation autonomous, because I do not think is viable with the level of technology we have today. But if you need to do a trench next door here, not in the future, you see our machine electrified that does exactly that today.
I mean, I definitely agree. It's not viable to go fully autonomous into everything. But those boring, repetitive tasks that no one really likes doing
you
when
got-
they're
come on.
operating, they can be done.
Right. You go click auto, you get out, you do something else. And then when it's done, even you can get even your coffee, because you sometimes you need to have some relaxing moment. The machine comes back, it's done. And maybe you do something else, trenching, which is not trenching anymore, so complex on the side. You got it. That's exactly the point.
So you can take your lunch break and your machine can still be productive.
You got it.
I mean, it sounds brilliant, Francesco, and I look forward to seeing when this comes onto a site.
Me too.
When it can be remotely operated and all the different things that are to come from Hitachi. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.